Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, today is the February the 4th, I believe, or 5th, I don't know, day after Super Bowl. So, I thought I'd just make a video showing how many calves we got around here now. We got a few. No, don't get up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 8. I think there's one over there, 9, yeah. And then there's 4 in the barn right now. Actually 5. And one is in there, she's gonna calf. So we had one this morning. A couple hours ago. It's minus 35 right now. There's no wind, so that's good. It's actually not bad. It was down to 40 this morning. 41? Yeah, same as yesterday. 41 yesterday, and it warms up to about 35. It's supposed to be another little while longer of this. But like I said, it's good if there's no wind, because once you get that wind chill, that's crazy. Then it goes down to like 60, 70. But we're gonna go feed the cows at the cattle yard and bed down some straw again. We're doing it a little more often now because it's so cold. So the bedding area is actually not bad, but we're just gonna give it another dusting of straw. Sean, you think it's cold enough? What was it this morning? 42. 42? Oh, alright. Well then that's colder than yesterday. Yeah, we're just gonna get some straw, put down, take a couple there. The old 2096 is toasty warm inside the shop. Now our shop is too small because we can't fit all the tractors in there that we need. We need to get some bales put up to the south. Now see, I got those 3 out there to the south. So. Suki, what are you doing? Bet you can't jump to the next one. Suki, you crazy dog. That's how we like him, crazy. Yeah, you could have left her up there. How'd she get up there? She jumped, didn't she? Well, you put her up there. Oh, I thought she wouldn't have jumped up there by herself. Well, my fingers are freezing. I gotta take a camera break. Yeah, baby. That's warm. Well, we unhooked the 120 from the bale processor. I think we got a fuel problem. Like I'm gonna change the filters out. Might add a little water in it or something, maybe. But it's not. It has no power right now, so. And I'm gonna run to town and get some filters for it and see if that helps. In the meantime, the guys are gonna use the 2096 to process the straw, unless I can get it running good enough by the time I get back. So we'll see. Right, Suki? Well, we got the 120 inside now. I had a sneaking suspicion that it wasn't the fuel filter. I wasn't entirely sure, but I just changed these a couple months ago. But I did find the problem. We got a clamp that came off the turbo. That's why I got no power, because we're naturally aspirated now. Wonder how long that was off. So I got a clamp here I gotta undo, clean this all off, brake clean, and then we'll proceed to redo that clamp on there. So I finally managed to get it on here. I had to loosen this one. You can't see. Where am I? Okay, there's one up there by the turbo. I had to loosen that clamp. Then I had to loosen this clamp. Slide this down over top. There's no way you could get it on there. Now I gotta tighten these clamps back up. This one I did it too much and it came right apart. Not very easy to get at with these injection lines here. I hope this clamp is alright. Not a bad one. I don't think I have any this size. Come on. Get you in there. Tighten up. Paper towel. That guy won't come this way. Really should have a ratchet for these. Now I'm just going to tighten up that guy there. Make sure that's in there. It's a two-hander job. There, all done. I think she'll run good now. Hopefully that wasn't off on there for too long. He's sucking dust. And this is the bale processing tractor, so there's always a lot of dust with this one. Even though there's no dust outside in the winter, you still get the dust from the hay. Okay, let's button her all back up, and we'll get her hooked back up, see how she works. I thought while I had the tractor in here, I'd add some cardboard to the radiator. Put it in front of the oil cooler here. It's got the radiator has a thermostat, and oil cooler doesn't have no such thing, so it can't regulate the heat of the oil cooler. So with this 40 below weather, best to put some cardboard in there. So I figured I'd do that while I had the tractor open. There's a piece down there, just this little area here. To this side. One side is air conditioning, one side is oil cooler. I believe it's this side is the oil cooler. I liked it, it had a tight fit there. That'll be good there. Want to see how stiff hydraulic hoses get at minus 35? Don't even want to flex. Pretty stiff. Well, it seems to have pretty good power now. It's giving her down the road in road gear, and it didn't hesitate, so it makes a big difference. But it's naturally aspirated to turbo. Had that happen on the Freightliner truck. It would pop off. The clamps weren't no good anymore, and they would pop off just like you blew a tire. And you had absolutely no power. It's like first gear all the way home. Well, it's minus 30 right now, warmed up to 30. It's going to start cooling off here right away. We're supposed to get down to 41 tonight. So, we'll see. Usually what the weather says and what it is in this area are two different things. You can have weather variances up on the hill, down low. Usually about 2 miles from my house, it goes down south. Like if you go south to the Muskeg, it gets really cold over there. It's always like 3 or 4 degrees colder. So anyway, the guys are, Sean and Murray, are feeding the cows. We didn't wait till they ran out of hay. It was this cold, we just top up whatever feeder is empty. And you don't want to be sitting out there all day cutting twines in this weather. So we just give them hay every day, top them off. They eat a lot in this cold weather, boy. Well, I spread the one bale fine. A lot of power. Let's try another. take long to go through a bale. That's 2 bales. We need at least 3 bales here. Well, I just finished spreading straw. Tractor's running good now. Actually, way more power. I'm just wondering if that hose was off just a little bit before, because it was having a little bit of trouble with the bales, with power out, but not as bad as today. So I'm just wondering if it was half off or it was not tightened down with a clamp and it was pressuring up and losing the air out of there. Anyway, it's working good now. We got all new fresh straw. We don't usually spread this quick because we spread day before yesterday, but with it being so cold, it's 30 right now. It's supposed to get down to 41, but I hope it doesn't, because that's cold. And it's a good thing we haven't had many calves. It's mainly during the day. We had a couple. Today it was 2. And it don't take them long to freeze. So, alright, that's about it for me today. Sunset. Days are getting longer for sure, because it is past 5 o'clock now. Or is it right? It was 4. I don't know what time it is. I know it's around 5. And definitely getting longer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll talk to you all later.